Hi fam, it's me TrungX again. Have you guys heard the news about Godzilla x Kong: The New Empire yet? As an OG fan of this series, I got so crazy when the director announced it will return, and I can't wait any longer. So from now till the day the movie is released, I'm going to create something special for all Godzilla fans around the world. At the beginning, I want to sculpt a Godzilla figure using polymer clay, but I only have a few left. Luckily, I remembered I have a Godzilla toy I bought a long time ago. And after rechecking it, it still seems good to use, so I've decided to use it as a model for this video. Let's see how I turned a toy into a diorama. This version of Godzilla is unique due to the spikes on its arms, so I'll begin by sculpting those first. I'm thrilled to announce that I'm now running my own workshop specializing in crafting handmade resin lamps. Feast your eyes on this fantastic Godzilla-themed lamp, just one of the many gems we offer. If you're looking to add a touch of personality to your space or searching for the perfect gift, simply drop me an email to secure yours. And guess what? I'm offering it at a steal compared to market prices. Don't hesitate to secure yours today. This is my first complete version, and I must admit, I'm not entirely satisfied with it. The Godzilla figure seems to be overshadowed by the background, and the quartzes are too boring. It needs to be more colorful. Let's give it another try.